All right, groovy dudes. Today we are going to be replacing the speakers on my Grand Design 22 MLE, I think it is. So the outdoor speakers are these little guys. They say they're 5 1/4 inch. They're lying. This is a 5 1/4 inch speaker, so you can see they're obviously not. But anyway, my indoor speakers, you can see the cone is cracked and they're just blown out. These things are junk anyway. That's the outdoor speaker. I'm sorry. The indoor speaker, just a really plain Jane 5 1/4 inch speaker, replacing the indoor 5 1/4 inch speaker with these Pioneer three-way. They're also 5 1/4 inch. I didn't up the size at all. I am going to use some baffles on these speakers. Here's the baffles themselves. They come with some sound deadening material that you can put in the back. There's my helper buddy there. And these are the baffles. So they're super simple. The outside, I'm going to use these speaker pods in place of what we had, and I am going to put these Kenwood marine grade speakers in place of these little guys. These are 6 1/2 inch speakers. These look like they were probably, a 2 inch or something like that. So, should have much better performance and a much more enjoyable system. Last week, I replaced the entertainment system. The stock one, it would no longer play any video discs. So, put this new one in. It wasn't very hard. I just had to cut a bigger hole, and all the wiring's the same. The indoor speaker is what we're going to do first. They go in this hole. I need to get a flashlight. Just a minute. Okay, so you can see up in there. There's an antenna up there right above. This is the forward speaker that I've already removed. The back speaker here, obviously I haven't removed that one yet, but I found a bunch of crap sitting on this speaker on the back of it. I mean, it was just loaded with debris, and it sounded like this speaker was blown. It's not blown, but I'm going to replace it anyway just to get a higher quality speaker in there. So those baffles that I bought, these guys are going to live up in this hole and provide protection. You can already see stuff falling down. I mean, there's a ton of stuff up in there. And then these baffles, they come with some backing. This is like an egg crate, they call it, backing material that I can put up in the hole. Yeah, see, look at that. I mean, there's already stuff. Just putting that thing up there had stuff falling down. But anyway, I'll put this backing material up both to improve the sonic performance of the speaker and to prevent stuff from falling down on the speaker. So, gonna pause now, and we'll start again in a minute.